Sugar donut using air fryer. If you love donuts, you're going to go crazy for these sugar donuts. They're soft, fluffy, and taste absolutely incredible. Let's begin, shall we? For the dough you will need these following ingredients. 280 grams white bread flour or plain flour. 40 grams caster sugar. Half a teaspoon salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1 large egg. 120 milliliters whole milk. 1 packet, 7 grams, fast-action dried yeast. 40 grams butter, melted, plus additional 40 grams, melted, for brushing the donuts with. For coating donut, 200 grams caster sugar. Serving 6 to 8. In a large bowl of a standing mixer, combine the flour, sugar, salt, and nutmeg. Add the milk, yeast, 40 grams of melted, cooled butter, and an egg. Bring the ingredients together until a dough begins to form while the mixer is set on low. Mix at medium speed for 5 minutes, or until the dough doesn't adhere to the bowl's sides. The dough can also be kneaded by hand, although it will take more time. If using a hand mixer, move the dough to a spotless surface and knead it for 15 minutes, or until it is elastic and smooth. Transfer the dough into a large, lightly greased bowl. Cover and let it rest until it has doubled in size, about 2 hours. Place the dough in a sizable basin that has been lightly oiled. It should sit for around 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Put some flour on the work surface and then place the dough there. Roll the dough with the rolling pin to a thickness of about 1 inch. Cut the donuts from the dough using the donut cutter or pastry cutting rings, medium. Re-roll any extra dough and continue doing so until all of it has been used. The donuts should be placed on a sizable baking sheet covered with parchment paper, brushed with the remaining 40 grams of melted butter, and let to cool for 45 minutes. Set an air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius when ready. Place the donuts inside the heated plate or basket after lightly greasing it. Cook 3 donuts at a time, depending on the size of the basket. Take food out of the air fryer after 4 minutes of frying, or until golden. Put sugar in a sizable bowl. Any remaining melted butter should be brushed onto the still warm donuts before they are dusted with sugar. Thanks for watching and enjoy your donut. Subscribe my channel Chell 432 if you like watching my content.